I like to do vintage electronics, pick them up for little or nothing, and sell them on a very active market on eBay. So here's my process when I get what we used to refer to in the 80s as a boombox. So this is a GE model number 3-5622A. If it works, it's worth about $46 or so. That includes shipping. So I'll probably list this for, $33, ship it for $12.95, and looks like it's got pretty good sell-through rate. So first off, I got this for $1 on HiBid. So if you're not using HiBid, you're missing an opportunity. And let's just see if in general it works. So I'll be flipping this on and off here because I don't want to get hit with any copyright infringements or anything on this video. So, okay, so first thing, I've got it plugged in. Let's see if we've got power. Well, that's good. That's the AM button. So let's tune this in and see if we can get AM. Okay, so the AM works. Now let's check out the FM. There's a commercial on the FM band.
You just like the way a little color makes you feel. It's all waiting for you.
There's some FM stereo.
Great hands and wellness options to get you there. Don't wait to glow. Join Sun today.
Hi, I'm Carter, part of the Peterson Plumbing and Heating fan. As the weather warms
Volume
up,
works, so that's
time
good.
to catch up on
Let's
those
check out
things
tape.
winter-
So I got this Wang Chung tape. And let's see if it plays. That's a good start. Let's see if it will rewind. Fantastic. Let's go with a fast forward here. Looks great. Let's see if it will eject without eating the tape. That's nice. Okay, let's play this and hit pause. Okay, so that looks really good. So now for the real trick. I'm going to record something off of the FM station. I found some of this new in the box Maxell, really good tapes. Picked them up for $1 at the bins. So going to open this up and test it here. And yes, I've sold some of these in the past. I found a lot of them at the bins about 6 months ago. Got to rewind it here and cue it up. Let's see if we recorded anything. That sounds great. Clearly there's a recording going on there. Let's see how it sounds with some music here. Okay, let's rewind this and see what we recorded. So I'd say that records. Doesn't record great. I'll take this apart, clean some things up, probably improve that a little bit. See that? I'm betting those have to make really good contact to record something cleanly. Let's see if we can find something to sand that a little bit. Okay, so I found a piece of 220 sandpaper here. Let's see if we can just sand these contacts up a little bit. Again, I have no idea if this is the problem. I haven't looked anything up. I prefer to learn by doing. Just trying to get some pressure on it. People that know what they're doing out there may be yelling through the channel right now. We'll see. Let's give that a little puff of air. Okay, let's give it some more power. Doesn't look like rewind is working great. Okay, let's review what we've done here real quick. So we've changed the belt on this big pulley. Move on over here. We have sanded this contact right here in between these two metal bars, and then we lubricate it with some Bullfrog, the record switch arm, if you will. Push that back and forth a number of times. Did a test recording off air. I think it improved dramatically. Also, at the end, we'll do a play of an actual tape, and I think the tape plays much better now too. So here we go. Okay, so here we go. We've got a station queued up. We've got a tape in here ready to record. We're going to see if the recording is much improved. I believe that it is.
'Cause I'm gonna get right back what was my own.
Okay, we'll rewind that. So we're there. I'll switch this to tape mode, turn the volume up, play.
Gonna get right back what was my own. Queen of the mountain, you better gonna get right back what was my own.
So as you can tell, that is much improved. That is a working recording boom box. Let's throw a real tape in there and see how it plays. We're going to Wang Chung tonight. So that sounds great. Let's fast forward a little bit. Stop. Play.
Oh, baby, dance with me.
Okay. Turn the volume down a little bit. We're getting great output now.
Everybody Wang Chung. Now the music's on.
See how it does on pause now. All right, we'll hold it there for a moment.
Oh, baby, dance with me.
fast forward it to a different song. See if we can hear any different tones here.
Everybody waits on tonight. Everybody.
Okay, well, I call that a wild success. We had a real scratchy playing vintage boombox here that I got for $1. Did some basic maintenance to it and tried a few things. Clearly one of those things, if not all of those things, helped. And now I've got something that's in tip-top condition, ready to list on eBay, and it will bring premium dollar for it. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one. See ya.